Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a very powerful idea called the law of assumption, and this was introduced by the philosopher Neville Goddard. So stay with me till the end of the video. Believe me, this video could change the way you think about life, about success, and most important, your own power to create reality. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true actually becomes your reality. Simply, it means that when you think and act like you already have what you wanted, आपके पास वो चीज है जिसके बारे में आप सोच रहे थे, so things actually start happening. And ये कोई मम्बो जम्बो नहीं है, इसके पीछे proper science है. Because scientific studies have proved that the brain cannot differentiate between imaginary and real experiences. Exactly वही parts of the brain get activated when you're imagining something, that is when you're visualizing something, and when things actually start happening. So if you think that you are successful, you are happy, you are energetic, आपका actions उसी तरीके से हो जाएंगे and things take a shift. This is just a shift of mindset. For example, let's take it up. सुबह उठते हैं and you say, oh no, another stressful day. होता क्या है? You've set the mood for the day. अब आप इस तरीके से बोलेंगे तो एक नेगेटिव मूड, एक स्लो मूड आ जाता है एंड आपके एक्शंस भी फिर उसी तरीके से होते हैं. अनइंटरेस्टेड, अनएंथुजियास्टिक अबाउट एनीथिंग कि चलो भाई चल लेते हैं काम पर, एक और दिन है. बट if you say today is amazing, it's wonderful, what will happen? ये energy जो आप अंदर दे रहे हैं by saying that today is amazing, this sets a positive tone for the whole day, and this positive energy can be seen in the way you walk. आपकी walk थोड़ी और confident हो जाएगी, थोड़ी और तेज हो जाएगी. When you speak nicely to people, your interaction will be good with your teammates or with whomever you are working, and when your interaction is good, you get back the same response, exactly like ghee go, garbage in, garbage out. Positive energy inside, positive energy out. So what goes in will definitely come out. Or if you're looking around for a job changeover, new job, just think, I already have that job now. Now इस चीज को visualize करिए कि आपको वो प्रमोशन मिल चुका है, आपके पास वो न्यू जॉब है. And when you visualize, see that you use all your five senses. Think, yes, आप एक picture बना रहे हैं अपने दिमाग में. People are congratulating you. How are you feeling? What is your response? What are they saying? Your ear, sense. What are they saying? What is your response to it? And then remain in that feeling that yes, I am successful. I have got that promotion. Even if it is for a few minutes. Visualize that फीलिंग. नेविल गोडार्ड का ये भी मानना है कि ये जो आपका assumption है, आपका imagination है, this is your inner world, and this is the actual creative force that will shape your outer world. Your thoughts create beliefs, your beliefs create actions, and your actions shape reality. So if you assume that you are successful, if you assume you are happy, things will take a shift in that direction. क्या बोलते हैं आप? I will fail or I have passed. Again, the assumption that matters. If you assume that things are in your favor, they will be in your favor. Let's talk about again जो job की बात कर रहे थे हम लोग. Okay? Now, अगर आप सोचे that I am not fit for this job, मेरे से लोग हैं जो और qualified हैं और पता नहीं मेरा इंटरव्यू कैसे जाएगा. अब आपने डाउट्स डाल दिए, यू अज्यूमिंग डाउट्स, यू अज्यूमिंग फेलियर्स. व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट नाउ? द रिजल्ट विल बी जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं, यू विल बी लिटिल नर्वस, आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं साउंड करेंगे बिकॉज यू आर अंडरसेलिंग योरसेल्फ. एंड यही चीजें रिफ्लेक्ट होंगी आपकी एटीट्यूड, आपके पोस्चर, आपके बिहेवियर में व्हेन यू आर फेसिंग द इंटरव्यू पैनल. बट इफ यू अज्यूम दैट you are the best person for this job, you have all that is needed for this job, This will be reflected in your body posture, in your talks, in your thoughts. And so, but natural, this version of yours, ये जो आपका रूप है, इसके ज़्यादा chances है of getting that job. So it's all in your hands. You have two options. Assuming the worst, बुरा से बुरा है वही सच होगा, और assuming the best, कि अच्छे से अच्छा जो आप assume कर सकते हैं वो सच होगा. When you assume the worst, it shuts all doors. आप आगे बिल्कुल नहीं सोच सकते. But if you assume the best, it opens doors of opportunities for you. And yes, it's also natural to think of unfavorable situations. It could be failure, it could be disapproval, or sometimes just getting bored. कौन इतने लंबे समय तक ये assume करे और उसको practice भी करना है. या कभी कभी दिमाग में ये भी आ सकता है कि ये क्या, ये तो सिर्फ थियोरी है ना, सिर्फ अज्यूम करने से ही अगर सब चीज होने लग जाता तो इतनी मुश्किलें नहीं आती. रियल लाइफ इज फुल ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. यस, यू आर राइट, बट व्हेन दीज थॉट्स कम इन योर माइंड नाउ, यू हैव टू रीडायरेक्ट देम. आपको अब इसका एक सोल्यूशन भी ढूंढना है. नाउ यू हैव टू अगेन डू अ शिफ्ट इन द माइंडसेट. व्हाट विल बी द पॉजिटिव आउटकम of thinking that what if this challenge comes? So you have to have a plan B ready. And यही एथलीट, स्पोर्ट्समैन, किसी को भी देख लीजिए, वो सब यही करते हैं. वो अपने वीडियोस देखते हैं कि हाँ यहाँ पे ये मिस्टेक किया था, तो अगर ये फिर से ऐसे होगा तो हम इसको ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. All successful people, they do assume that things may not turn in their favor, but at the same time, then they think of those positive outcomes. कि नहीं, इसको हमें इस तरीके से ओवरकम करना है. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली यूजिंग दैट पावरफुल क्रिएटिव एनर्जी दैट इज देयर विद इन यू, इन योर माइंड. एंड ये जो assumptions है, ये सिर्फ एक बार करने से नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू हैव अ रूटीन, मे बी few minutes every day, whichever time is suitable for you. Visualize, assume those things, and feel that scene, feel that energy, and remain in it even for a few minutes. So this law of assumption जिसके बारे में हमने अभी बात की है, it is no magic. It is just aligning your inner world, your mindset with the outcome that you want. So stop wishing and start assuming that you already have what you wanted. This will change the way you think and the way you act, and your outer world will then respond accordingly. चलिए एक काम करिए, मेरे कहने पे ही कर लीजिए. आज रात को सोने से पहले just think of one thing that you already have. You wanted it and you already have. Feel it with all your 5 senses. What was your reaction? What was going on? The voice, the noise, your response. And then do this continuously, just maybe for a week, and then see what happens. एक experiment के तौर पर ही कर लीजिए इसको. There's no harm in doing it. And remember, success begins in the mind. Muhammad Ali, the great boxer, said, "What my mind can conceive and my heart can believe, it shall be done." So till we meet again, dare to dream, visualize with conviction, and take action. The future you desire is within your reach. Goodbye.